Hey, Noisy, what you doing?
I am tearing out this cabinetry that goes around the refrigerator because we're getting a new refrigerator. This one's on the blink. And our new refrigerator will not fit into the enclosure. So I gotta take the enclosure out. Yeah, I know. Anyway, so that's what I'm doing. This is about all on my hand.
Well, I would put down the camera and help you, but then I couldn't take the video. So,
Yeah, I know.
so get tall, get tall.
Yeah. Well, let's see. This piece might be a little more difficult to knock off.
Hey!
Yeah. There we go.
Good job.